Hello, welcome back to our English conversation series. Before we dive into today's traffic accident conversation, don't forget to download our free app for more engaging English practice sessions. You can find the download link in the description below or in the first comment. At the end of the video, you will find the vocabulary used in this video.
Oops, what did I see right now? Sir, are you all right?
Oh, yes, I'm fine, just a bit shaken. Thank you for asking.
That was a close call. Did anyone get hurt in the other car?
Luckily, no. We were both going slow at the time. It's just a few scratches on my bumper, and a dent in theirs.
I saw the accident happen. You changed direction suddenly. Is everything okay?
I'm not ashamed to admit it, but I had a moment of dizziness. I haven't been feeling well lately.
Oh no, I'm so sorry to hear that. Should I call someone for you?
That's very kind of you, dear. Perhaps I should just sit down for a moment before driving any further.
Maybe I can help you call a friend or family member to pick you up? It's not safe for you to drive if you're not feeling well.
You're absolutely right. I wouldn't want to put anyone else at risk. Thank you for your concern. You're a kind soul.
It's no trouble at all. Let me call your family member.
Thanks for your help, young lady.
No problem. Take care of yourself, sir.
And that's a wrap for today's traffic accident conversation. Remember, practicing English doesn't have to be daunting. With our app, you can improve your language skills while having fun with friends. Now, let's go over some of the vocabulary words and their meanings we used in today's conversation. Bumper, a device for absorbing some of the shock of a collision. Dent, a dent is a gouge or hollow that's left on a surface after some kind of blow. Dizziness is a term used to describe a range of sensations, such as feeling faint, woozy, weak, or unsteady. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to download our app. Like, share, subscribe, and comment on our channel for more fresh and engaging English conversations.